So you might have read the name Tom Clancy several times as a prefix in video game titles, and it's obvious that it is a person's name. But what exactly does it represent? And what exactly does it mean to be there, and why? Well, for this you need to know a little more about Tom Clancy than his name. For starters, he was a novelist born on April 12, 1947, which is also the year when the Cold War started. And it wasn't until 25th of December 1991 when the Cold War ended. And so Clancy, being a novelist in that time, writing stories on military science and espionage, which by the way means this, it would be safe to assume that he took a lot of inspiration from the Cold War itself. And so back in 1984 is when it all began with Clancy's literary career. 17 of his novels have been bestsellers and more than 100 million copies of his books have been sold, making his name very recognizable. Not only that, some of his stories have also been turned into successful movies. And in case you're not aware, Jack Ryan, a very popular character, is also one of Tom Clancy's creations. Now fast forward to 1996. Clancy co-founded a video game developer company called Red Storm Entertainment, which made several successful games including Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six in 1999, which as we know right now turned out to be really successful. And so around that time was when Ubisoft reached out and became the publisher for Red Storm Entertainment games. But it was not until 2008 when Ubisoft acquired the rights to use Clancy's name, and all of the games that were to release with his name in the prefix would exist in the same universe, with a few exceptions. So yes, his name with an apostrophe and S was turned into a brand name. And ever since then, you must have played titles such as Rainbow Six, Ghost Recon, Splinter Cell, The Division, and even more. Unfortunately though, Clancy did pass away in 2013, but his name and his stories will not be forgotten for a very long time. And so expect seeing his name in future titles such as the upcoming Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, which is exciting, but hopefully in the future we do see a Splinter Cell game as well. So which is your favorite Tom Clancy game? Let's talk about that in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the multiverse.